Welcome back to another Photoshop and Flash tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about color effects. So we start here with the foreground and background colors, and right now the foreground color set as white, background color set as black. If we click the switch button right here, now the black is foreground and the white is background. So then we're going to say maybe we don't want black. Go over here to the color switcher, color picker, and we'll say, oh, maybe we want a red. So you'll slide this bar, the red bar up, and you'll get a nice red. Or maybe we want a green, so you may slide that back, get a green. Or maybe you just want to find some weird color, so you just start dragging the bars, and eventually you'll probably find something that you like mixed in, like that. There's a nice purple. Or maybe you just say, oh, I don't want to try to find a color, I want a color quick. You can try to click down here, and you can try to get a nice color, or you can go to the swatches, and there's a bunch of colors lined up here. So maybe you want to say like a sky blue, or maybe you want like green, dark green, like that. Instead of moving these around trying to find green, take forever, you can just come over here to the swatches and click the green that you want. Maybe you want a lighter green, darker green, whatever you want. Now something you need to know is color range. When you go to select and color range, right there, it'll bring up this dialog box, and when you click somewhere in the image, it'll show it here where it's being selected. It'll select that color. So we're going to select the background, and you see all the white is, well, it's selected, and we're going to hit OK. So now it's selected almost everything around the eagle. So now what we're going to do is we're going to change the background color. Now, so we're going to go first to hue and saturation, and then we're going to pick a nice color. So this hue will change the color of the image. So if I move it over, it'll mix the original color of the background with the color. So blue was originally, so plus yellow equals green, as you see. And if you add red to blue, it makes it a little darker. And then if you come over here to purple, it makes it a nice darker purple, and red makes a nice cream. So find a color you want. Maybe you want a green. There you go, nice green background. Maybe you want, to make it more bright. So if you move the saturation up, it makes it brighter. If you move the saturation down, it makes it a little, a little grimmer, and yeah. Now the lightness, it'll make it either darker or lighter. That's basically everything. So if you want maybe a dark green in the background or a light green, you can easily just adjust it with this lightness. That's hue and saturation. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna color range again and select the background that we want. Alright, so now we're gonna make the background, a lighter. So we're gonna have brightness and contrast, and we're going to increase the brightness. So now it's a lot brighter out, or we can make it nighttime if we move the brightness and we adjust the contrast. We'll make it, a lot smoother or a lot rougher out. So hazy and then smooth, clear. So maybe we want a little clearer the background, and then we can also make it a little darker. So now it's like kind of like nighttime. You can easily change the appearance of colors with the brightness and contrast.